everybody, welcome to Cooking for Health with me, Supaimun. Today I'm going to show you how to make green porridge. Have you ever heard of that? So, it's gluten-free and grain-free and it's going to be yummy. Let's do it. So here ingredient for green porridge that we are going to make. So I have here 50 grams of chopped lettuce and 50 grams of chopped parsley, half a cup of coconut milk, half a cup of water, and half a cup of macadamia paste. You can use macadamia powder or you can use macadamia nuts, but then you have to grind them up. I did that myself and it just turned out to be paste, because I think these macadamia nuts got a lot of oil in them. And here I got Himalayan salt, which I will use just for taste, maybe half a teaspoon. Depend on you, if you like less salt, put less salt. Also for the green, especially lettuce, some people got reaction to lettuce. You can substitute lettuce with spinach and or kale or even bok choy, but use just the leaves of the bok choys. Okay, so let's get cooking. Here I got my blender ready. I'm just gonna go ahead and put lettuce first into the blender, and then parsley, and then I'll add coconut milk, and then I'll add the macadamia paste. Make sure you get everything. What I do, I'll just use that half a cup of water just to clean this, just make sure I get all the macadamia out, because they're quite good and I don't want to waste, so just make sure I get out of it, all of it into the blender. So I'm just going to blend this up and then I'll be back. Blending. I'm just going to check if this is well blended together. So as I see here, I can still spot some of the parsley leaves. So I'm just gonna check. Use my fork there. Yeah. So we need a little bit, have to blend more. Just gonna close. Let's see again. Now it's all, blended. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour this on the pot and then bring it to boil in low heat. Okay. So here I got my pot. I'm just gonna pour it in. So this porridge is just enough for one serve, for one person. So go ahead and put this on the stove on a low heat. Let's go. So here we are. I will put on the stove. So that's on low heat. And then I'll add like half a teaspoon of salt, Himalayan salt. Just mix in there. This green porridge is a very good, you know, if for the people who maybe can't eat raw vegetable, like if you have GI problem, so you get required to eat cooked vegetable until your gut heal or getting stronger. And for me, it's like it's a good idea for me to, you know, maximize my green intake, because sometimes I cannot eat, like, you know, you feel bored if you eat salad like day in day out. So I just find that really helpful. Okay, I will just leave that to boil. It's getting boiled slowly. Yeah, it's boiling. I wouldn't let it boil for too long, so probably about two minutes. And once it's like you know, your green will become like the color will come greener when it's a little bit cooked. And then I'll just go ahead and taste this. So the porridge become greener than when it was uncooked. So you can see that the color change from light green to quite dense green, like here. And I'm just going to taste. It's tasty. Yeah. So that's cooked. So I will just gotta turn off the light. And then what I would do, if you can have you know, like a pepper, you can add pepper. And because I can't eat pepper, because pepper is one of the nightshade family, which I can't eat. So I will instead use coconut yogurt for the topping, and then I'll add like raspberries on the top, and it's gonna look really good, and it's actually quite tasty. Actually not quite, it's very tasty. All right, so yeah, I will just show you the end product here. Now to the end, we're ready to serve. I'm just gonna go ahead and pour this my porridge in my bowl. The colors look really good. And then I got this organic coconut yogurt that I'm just gonna use the topping, just to give you that creamy and a little bit sour flavor. make it much more pleasant to eat, I found. So yeah, I'm just gonna add this to the top. So you can do smiley face, and it's up to you, or whichever way you like to do that. Maybe a little bit more. And then I got raspberries. Sink a little bit. Here we go. And I think I'm just gonna add a little bit more of coconut yogurt, just to keep that in a colorful thing and taste yummy. So that's it. That's the green porridge. Like I said, you can go and sprinkle peppers or chili. If you can eat chili, go ahead. And even like a squeeze a little bit of lemon. Yeah, just be creative with your food. That's what that I would do if I can eat. You know, I was just experimenting and see how the taste go. And so far, this recipe, it's good for me, and it's been my favorite. Okay. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and give this recipe a try. And if you like it, put the comment below or subscribe to my channel and click on the bell whenever I got new recipe, you know, I put up, so that you will get a reminder. Alrighty, you have a good day. Thank you.